Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a remote control plug to your installation and how to operate electrical devices from your smartphone. First, insert your remote control plug into a 230-volt power outlet. Then, connect the electrical device to be controlled remotely to your plug. Be careful not to exceed the maximum power output, depending on the type of device as indicated in the instructions. Using your LiveIn2 app on your smartphone, you can control your plug in real time and consequently your connected electrical devices. Nothing could be more simple. First, you need to add LiveIn2 as a remote control. Go to the Settings menu and click on the Add a Device button at the bottom. Choose SIMU-BHz technology, then the type of device matters, receivers. You must now select whether your plug is already controlled or not by a remote control or a wall transmitter. If it is not, then click No to directly launch Detect your plug. Otherwise, click Yes. You will then need to put your plug in pairing mode. To do so from this remote control or wall transmitter, press the Prog button for 3 seconds. Press Continue. The search starts and can take up to 1 minute. Well done! Your plug is now added to the installation. Press Test your devices to access a test screen that allows you to test its operation with the on and off buttons. When you press the on button, the indicators on the plug and the electrical device should turn on and turn off when you press the off button. Rename it using the pencil and finish. You can now find the plug and control it directly from your Equipments menu. Thanks to its technology with information feedback, this handy plug lets you know if your device is turned on or off, even when you're away from home. And finally, don't forget, you can also add it to a clocks program so that your plug turns on and off automatically at the desired times.